Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you 10 stretching exercises that may speed up your metabolism. Stretching may not be the most exciting part of working out, but doing flexibility work is just as important for a well-rounded fitness routine as strength and cardio work. Incorporating some stretching exercises into your workout schedule will help you improve flexibility, reduce tightness, and ultimately, make your workouts more efficient and safe. We Health and Fitness know that the price for all the cookies we've eaten and the sedentary lifestyle is extra weight. This is why we suggest that you get up, stretch, and make your body work like it should. 1. Neck stretch. This exercise will return flexibility to the neck muscles and remove the fat near this area. How to do it? Lie on your back and bend your knees. Fold a towel, like shown in the picture above, and place it on the back of the head. Pull the towel up, trying to stretch the neck. Keep the elbows to the sides, to allow yourself to breathe freely. Take 3 deep breaths and repeat the exercise 3 to 4 times. 2. Shoulder stretch. Tension in the shoulder area has a negative effect on the vision and causes frequent headaches. How to do it? Lean with your shoulder on the wall. Bend the arm at the elbow and lift it so that the upper part of the arm is parallel to the floor and the fingers are pointing down. Rotate the body from the wall, avoiding any painful sensations. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then do the same with the other arm. 3. Arm stretch. This exercise is good for people who have the first signs of saggy skin. It also improves blood circulation and increases lymphatic drainage. How to do it? Lean with your shoulder on a vertical plank, like a pole. Hold the pole from the opposite side. Rotate your body so you feel the muscles stretching on the back of the arm. Make sure the arm is horizontal and the wrist is in line with the shoulders. Do the exercise for 30 seconds on each side. 4. Back stretch. Tense muscles in the thoracic spine area don't allow you to breathe freely, and can cause you to be short of breath. How to do it? Lie on your stomach, lift your shoulders, and cross your arms under your chest. Place your forehead on the blanket. Stretch to the sides with your fingers, but not too much. Close your eyes and take 8 deep breaths. Repeat this exercise again, putting the bottom arm on top this time, after a small break. 5. Belly stretch. This exercise prevents the appearance of fat on the waist. How to do it? Squat and put one leg to the side. Lean on your hand and stretch the other one away from your legs. Breathe normally and hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds, then repeat on the opposite side. 6. Butt stretch. This exercise is necessary for anyone who drives a car or spends their entire day at a desk. It can help you tone the skin on your hips and fight cellulite. How to do it? Get into a lunge, so that your knee is under your chest. Bend your other leg and place your foot on the wall. If you do this right, you will feel the stretch on the front part of the hip. Hold this position for 30 seconds, then repeat with the other leg. 7. Hip stretch. This exercise can help remove the swelling and the pain caused by a sedentary lifestyle. How to do it? Pull your knees toward your face and cross your ankles. Grab your feet with your hands. Keep your back rounded and try to reach your legs with your nose, but without hyperextending them. Hold the position for 30 seconds, then cross your ankles the other way and repeat the exercise. 8. Shin stretch. This exercise removes the swelling and the pain from walking in high heels. How to do it? Lie on the floor and lean back on your elbows. Your feet should be under your buttocks, making sure that your back doesn't hang and arch your chest up. Hold the position for 30 to 40 seconds. 9. Foot stretch. This exercise will help release tension in your ankles and get rid of pain in your feet. How to do it? Place your palms on the wall. The distance between your legs and the wall should be 20 to 25 inches. Place the front part of your foot on the wall and bend your knee. Your other foot should stay on the floor, don't lift it. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then do the same on the other foot. 10. Full body stretch. This stretch activates the muscles of your legs and releases the muscles of your upper body. How to do it? Stand on the floor with your feet together. Bend your upper body forward and put your palms on the floor in front of your feet. Make sure that your spine and legs are straight. Hold this position for 50 to 60 seconds. How often do you stretch your body? Please share your favorite stretching exercises in the comments below. According to some people who have done this stretching exercises, the results are impressive and efficient. Do it. And share your opinion with us in the comments below. If you find this video useful, please press like button and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.